In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display right here, and go to wallpaper. Now you can either pick something from your own photos or wallpaper album. I will pick wallpapers, and here you've got all the options. You can smoothly tap and pick the one that you like the most. Obviously, here by tapping on photos you can choose some photo of your own. And let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on set wallpaper and decide if it's for your home screen only, just your locked screen, or both of them. Let me pick both. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.